Hey guys, it's Alan, Front Page Fab. Appreciate you clicking and checking this out. So this video was taken over at Bunker Hill Dragstrip during their Haunt at the Hill. 2024. And so we were able to get out to be there for the whole weekend and get some passes in, some test data. Made it as far as round 2, not very far, but you know, stuff happens. Is what it is. We're working on it. We're getting there. But anyway, the old girl, she ran well. Just threw me a couple curveballs that we had to try and figure out. Anyway, the video you're going to watch, I'm not going to talk on it. It's from the weekend, all kind of the different clips all over the weekend there. I had hoped on Saturday they had a big Halloween thing for the kids, and I was hoping to get some video of that, of all the kids, but I'd made a pass and didn't assume correctly how much fuel I had in the truck, and didn't put enough in. So as I come off the return, I was coming down the return road, I ran out of fuel. So while they were doing trick-or-treating at all the trailers, I was running back to my trailer, which was a long walk from where it stopped, and got my four-wheeler and some fuel and went back and filled it up and got it back up to the truck, or to the trailer. But anyway, while I was fooling with all that, they were doing the trick-or-treating, so I wasn't able to get much of that filmed. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions on what you see, let me know. Also, kind of at the end of the video, I'm throwing in some pictures that a friend of mine and his wife came up to help out. She took some video and some pictures for me. And so I'm throwing those in because she did a fantastic job. Her name is Rachel Ackley. So shout out to Rachel. Really appreciate you coming up and taking those pictures and filming for me. Because it's something I'd not been able to get accomplished for, well, basically since the first time I had the truck out after I got it done. So very much appreciate her doing that for me. Anyway, it's kind of hard to believe it's October, the end of October, and we're coming into November, so I got to get a project finished up in the shop so I can get the old girl in and get it winterized. Right now I got it tucked up in my front garage, which means my diesel's sitting outside, and I don't like that. But anyway, it is what it is. We'll get this other project finished, and then I can get the Ranger or the hot rod in and get it winterized. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great season. I got more stuff coming. We're going to put the old girl, we're going to take some more weight out of it this winter. And I got a little surprise upgrade coming that I've been working towards for a couple years now. I think it's finally going to happen. I'm pretty excited about that, actually. So yeah, so stay tuned, stick around, stay tuned, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and enjoy the video. And have a great one.